carbohydrates? Why do they matter?
Carbohydrates are one of the body's main sources of energy. They power your brain, muscles, and vital organs. But not all carbs are created equal. Understanding the differences between good and bad carbs is crucial for making smart choices about what you eat every day.
Simple carbs, quick energy, short-term impact.
Simple carbohydrates are sugars found in foods like candy, soda, white bread, and pastries. They break down quickly, causing rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar. These carbs can leave you feeling tired and hungry soon after eating, and eating them in excess is linked to weight gain and health issues.
Complex carbs, sustained energy, lasting fullness.
Complex carbohydrates digest more slowly and are found in foods like whole grains, beans, vegetables, and fruits. They provide a more steady release of energy, help keep you full longer, and offer important nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support overall health.
How to choose healthier carbs.
Focus on whole, unprocessed foods like brown rice, oats, quinoa, lentils, and colorful vegetables. Check food labels for added sugars and opt for items with higher fiber content. Swapping white bread for whole grain or enjoying fruit instead of sugary snacks can make a big difference in your long-term wellness.
The bottom line on carbohydrates.
Carbs are not all bad. The key is choosing the right type. By prioritizing complex carbs and minimizing processed, sugary foods, you can fuel your body efficiently and support better health. Remember, balance is essential. Combine healthy carbs with proteins and fats for meals that satisfy and nourish.